cleverness. There are more important things, friendship and bravery.
Are you ready to draw Hermione Granger? Now let's draw with me. Hi, my little artists. Before we begin, please click the big red subscribe button to join our little fun art family. And don't forget to like this video. And let's start. First, I'm going to draw her eyelashes because the eyes will connect to them. Next, draw two big circles attached to the eyelashes. These are the colored parts of her eyes. Now, connect them like this to finish the shape of the eyes. Add a tiny little circle inside each eye to make them nice and shiny. Now color the eyes in.
Let's try a spell. Wingardium Leviosa.
Draw a little smile with an upward curve. And then add a big curved line for the bottom of her face. Oops! I almost forgot her nose. An easy way to draw her bangs is to make a few little curved lines above her eyes like this. Now connect those lines together like this.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, little pencil.
Add a few more little lines to give her bangs some detail. Before we finish her hair, let's draw her clothes first. That way it'll be easier to connect the hair at the end. So first, let's draw the collar of her shirt. Now draw her little arms on both sides. Next, draw her body. Add these little lines to give her sweater some extra detail. Now let's add a tiny tie right here. For her pants, I'm just going to keep them simple, just like the reference. And here are her cute little shoes. Now all that's left is to connect her hair to her outfit and finish the rest of her hair. also place the Gryffindor crest here. And we're done! Great job! Now you can easily color your drawing by following the reference image. See? It was much easier than you thought. Did you enjoy drawing with me? Give this video a thumbs up.
Wingardium Leviosa. Lumos Maxima. Yes, it's working! I did it!
See you in the next videos. I'm Little Pencil. Goodbye.